Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at Rehan School at Campus Islamabad. And today I am doing my 8th ChatGPT and my topic is good morning. So let's start it. Hello ChatGPT, can you listen me?
Of course, Sarosh. I'd love to help. So you're focusing on good morning, like the meaning, the tradition behind it, and why people use it. Where would you like to start? Do you want a general overview, or do you have specific aspects you want to dive into, like cultural significance or history?
Yes ChatGPT, today I have some questions for you. Can we start it?
Absolutely. I'm ready. Feel free to ask me your questions, and we'll dive into them one by one. What's your first question?
Okay, so my first question is that why does the greeting good morning actually mean?
That's a great question. So, good morning is a way of wishing someone a positive start to their day. It's a simple greeting, but it's also about setting a friendly tone, kind of wishing them well, hoping they have a good day ahead. And it's been around for a long time, just a natural, warm way to connect at the start of the day.
So ChatGPT, my second question is that why do people start the day by saying good morning?
Yeah, that's really interesting. People often start with good morning because it creates a sense of routine and connection. It's a small gesture that helps build positive social interactions, and it signals kindness and goodwill. It kind of sets a collaborative, optimistic mood for everyone involved.
So ChatGPT, can you tell me that how does a simple greeting affect someone's mood?
Absolutely. A simple greeting like good morning can really set the tone for someone's day. When we hear it, especially from a friendly source, it can create a sense of warmth, belonging, and even boost motivation. It's a small act, but it reminds us we're seen and cared for, which can spark positivity throughout the day.
Okay, so my next question is that is good morning just a habit or a meaningful tradition?
Oh, that's a really good point. I think it's both, actually. For many people, it starts as a habit, just something you say automatically when you see someone. But over time, it also becomes a meaningful tradition, especially when it's tied to a culture or a family practice. So it carries both casual and deeper significance.
So, so ChatGPT, tell me that why is morning greeting considered polite?
Yeah, so morning greetings are considered polite because they show respect and acknowledgement. They help create a positive interaction right from the start, signaling that you recognize the person and you care about their well being. Plus, it's just a universal sign of friendliness, which is always a nice way to start the day.
Okay, that's a great answer. So ChatGPT, tell me that can a greeting change the energy of the day?
Oh, definitely. A warm greeting can kind of act like a little spark. If someone hears a friendly good morning, it can lift their mood, give them a sense of connection, and even give them a positive mindset. So, in a way, it can really influence how the day flows for both them and the people around them.
Okay, nice. So my next
I'm
question is that why do women feel connected through greeting?
That's a really thoughtful question. I think greetings create a sense of shared humanity. So when women, really anyone, exchange a simple greeting, it can foster a feeling of connection, especially if they don't know each other well. It's like a small shared ritual that says, I see you and I acknowledge you, which can be really empowering and comforting.
So ChatGPT, tell me that where did the phrase "good morning" originate?
Yeah, so the phrase good morning is actually quite old. It's been used in English since at least the 14th century. It likely evolved from simple good wishes, like a way to bless someone's start to the day. Over time, it spread as a standard polite greeting in many cultures.
So ChatGPT, tell me that how has the greeting evolved over centuries?
Yeah, that's really interesting. Over the centuries, morning greetings have evolved depending on culture and language. In some cultures, specific rituals were tied to greetings, like saying a blessing or mentioning the weather. In modern times, it's become shorter, more universal, but it still keeps that same core intention, starting the day with a kind, positive acknowledgement.
Okay, nice. So my next question is that why did greetings become part of social culture?
Yeah, that's a great point. Greetings became part of social culture because they help establish trust, rapport, and a sense of community. They're these small, structured moments that make interactions predictable, kind, and respectful. As societies grew more complex, these rituals help people navigate their social world with courtesy and connection.
So, ChatGPT, can you tell me that how did elders teach greetings traditions?
Yeah, absolutely. Elders often pass down greeting traditions through example and storytelling. They would show younger family members when and how to greet people, whether it was a formal good morning or a specific phrase used for a certain time of day or setting. So, by modeling those behaviors, elders kept the tradition alive and gave it meaning.
So, ChatGPT, tell me that how do different cultures say good morning?
Yeah, that's really cool. Different cultures have their own unique ways. For example, in Spanish, people say buenos dias. In Arabic, you might hear sabah al khair. In Japanese, it's ohayo. And in some cultures, like in India, there are different greetings depending on the time or region, like namaste or suprabhat. So it's a beautiful variety around the world.
Okay, so my next question is that why do greetings vary across languages?
Yeah, that's a great observation. Greetings vary because each language and culture develops its own ways of expressing respect, warmth, and connection. So phrases evolve naturally from history, customs, and even climate or daily routines. Each one kind of reflects a unique worldview or social value.
So, ChatGPT, can you tell me that is greeting elders more important in some cultures?
Yeah, absolutely. In many cultures, especially in places like South Asia, East Asia, and parts of Africa, greeting elders is a big sign of respect. It's not just a formality, it's a way of honoring wisdom and family hierarchy. So the greetings often carry deeper meaning in those contexts.
Okay, nice. So, my next question is that how does culture influence respect through greetings?
Yeah, that's a really powerful connection. Culture shapes what we see as respectful. So, in some cultures, bowing or using formal titles is the norm, while in others, a simple handshake or casual good morning is fine. So, the way respect is conveyed really depends on the values and traditions of that specific culture.
So, ChatGPT, are traditional greetings disappearing today?
That's a really nuanced question. I'd say some traditional greetings are fading a bit, especially with globalization and digital communication, but a lot of cultures still keep them alive, especially in family settings or formal environments. So, they're evolving, but not completely disappearing.
So, ChatGPT, tell me that how is greeting someone linked with hospitality?
Ah, great question. So, greetings are often the very first gesture of hospitality. When you welcome someone with a warm good morning or a traditional greeting, it sets the tone for safety, comfort, and inclusion. It's a way of saying, I see you, you belong here, which is a key part of being a good host.
So, ChatGPT, tell me that does hearing good morning improve mental health?
Yeah, it can actually. Hearing a friendly good morning can give you a little mental boost. It can make you feel seen, connected, and just a bit more optimistic as you start the day. It's a small thing, but it can subtly shape your mood and mindset.
So, tell me that why do positive words affect our mindset?
Yeah, that's a really powerful idea. Positive words kind of act like little mental triggers. They create a sense of safety and optimism, which can reduce stress and increase motivation. When we hear or repeat positive language, it kind of rewires our brains towards seeing more possibilities, which is pretty amazing.
ChatGPT, tell me that how does morning positivity shape productivity?
Yeah, so morning positivity can be a game changer for productivity. When you start your day with positive thoughts or a kind greeting, it boosts your mood, which helps you focus better and be more resilient to challenges. So it sets a positive tone, and that mindset kind of spills over into how productive and creative you feel as the day goes on.
Okay, that's a great answer. So, ChatGPT, tell me that why do smiling greetings feel powerful?
Yeah, smiling greetings are super powerful because they're universal signals of friendliness and openness. A smile actually triggers positive emotions, both in the person giving it and the person receiving it. It kind of breaks down barriers, builds trust quickly, and it just makes interactions feel warmer and more genuine.
So, ChatGPT, tell me that does greeting yourself matter?
Yeah, it really does. When you greet yourself, like saying good morning or giving yourself a positive affirmation, it can boost your self esteem and set a positive tone for the day.
Okay,
It's a small
ChatGPT. Viewers, this is my ChatGPT. Hope so you like it. Meet you in next video. Pakistan, Zindabad, Khuda Hafiz, and